All right, so Trez and I are running some pipe down to the chicken coop through the woods, connecting it to another water line. This is an old landscaping hose, about 125 feet, and we had some kinks in here, so we're cutting them and patching them up. That way we'll have this solid pipe running down to the chickens for water. We'll rig it up, then eventually bury it. So yeah, nice little father-son project and get some water moving down the property. So right now I'm filling a bucket because the part I bought didn't work. We're gonna put a male end on here, female end, and get a Y for here, and that way we'll be able to run hoses. And then we're probably gonna do a garden up here, fence all this in so we can let the chickens out and add a few more birds and probably some rabbits up here in this little area, put a little covered area. So yeah, just working around the homestead today. Thanks for watching. All right, so we got this hose connection. So I'll be able to run two hoses off, shut it off, put quick disconnects on it, and then clean it up, and then we'll get it buried probably when it warms up, and be able to move water around in this area. And we've got water up at the other chickens up in that area. That's where we split off of. And then we've got water down here at the old barn garage. So, all right, that's what you're always doing, is moving water around. So that's what we've been working on. All right, again, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share, do all that kind of stuff. I appreciate y'all. Take care.